YouTube high five. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna redeem my free snack from YouTube creators. First, I'm gonna redeem my free sausage roll from Greggs, and after I will go to Papa John's to collect my free pizza. Let's go guys. Guys, we're going to the bread shop to collect my free snack from YouTube creators. Okay guys, we're here at bread shop. They have a lot of variety sandwiches and stuff. I have my free sausage roll from Greggs. Hindi ko na siya na-videohan because I need to show my code to them. Hi guys, I'm here now in Papa John's Pizza. I'm gonna collect my free snack from YouTube creators. Let's go. I'm inside in Papa John's Pizza and waiting for my order. Hi guys, my order is ready. I have it. Hi guys. Malapit na tayo sa park. I'm gonna eat my pizza rewards over there. I'm here in the playground. I'm gonna sit here. It's a Hawaiian chicken. We have here a garlic sauce. Okay, let's try to. Okay, let's eat it. I'm enjoying the weather here in the park. Let's taste it. Yummy. Let's have a bite. Oh. Yummy. There's a lot. It's 5 pieces. I cannot finish it all. I will share it with Cedric. It's so yummy guys. It's really good. This is a result of my hard work in my YouTube shorts. This is my Yun reward. Yummy. Try nga natin tong garlic sauce. Wow. Ang sarap. Grabe. Ang sarap pala nitong garlic sauce nila. Panalo. Dinner ko na to guys. From work. Dinaanan ko na siya. I ordered the pizza online, so I went there just for collection and also to the sausage roll. I do it online. Ang sarap-sarap po talaga. Diyos ko. Ang sarap kumain. Alam niyo ba kung magkano to? 20 pounds. Something. Ngayon wala akong binayaran. 0-0 lang. Now let's try my free sausage roll from Greggs. This is my free snack for the month of May. Sausage roll from Greggs. Let's have it. Wow. Let's try it. I'm having mukbang at the park. I'm eating all my creator rewards. Kaya kayo guys, ituloy lang, upload lang ng upload. Be very creative and avoid natin yung mga CPR. Ang sarap niya, guys. So, I have this free snack for the month of May and June. Guys, this is a monthly reward. You already saw my first reward, the YouTube Neon Light, the limited edition. And now, I have this sausage roll and the pizza. High five. Thank you for the free snack. I really enjoy it. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all. High five, YouTube.